Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to install Android Studio. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. To install Android Studio, first of all, we need to download Android Studio exe file. So, open your Chrome or any other browser. So, I'll open the Chrome. Then we'll search Android Studio. Click on the first link. Here on the top left corner, you can see that Android Studio Hedgehog. So download it from here. Scroll it down, check the dialog box, and click on the Download Android Studio. As you can see, Android Studio executive file is started downloading. It all depends on your internet speed. I have already downloaded it. Click on this file. It will take some time to process. Don't worry, you have to wait. Then click next. It is asking that you want to install only Android Studio or with Android virtual device. So you can uncheck this if you don't want to download the Android virtual device. But I am downloading it. Click on next, and then install. So installation depends on your hardware speed. It is completed. Click on next, then finish. So here you can see Android Studio Hedgehog installed. It is finding SDK components. We are installing a fresh Android Studio. So there is no SDK. So we have to download SDK. Click on next. So it's showing Android Studio 406 MB. Click on next and download it. Accept terms and conditions. My internet connection is slow, so I will fast forward the video. It will take some time to download SDK. As you can see, downloading and installation is finished of SDK. So we'll click on new project and then we can select new activity. If you want to start our project from scratch or an empty activity, there is a lot of more other options, so you can choose from here. So we click on no activity and we click on next. Then we'll give a name to our application. That is my application, or you can change it to my new app. Then we can select where we want this app file to be in our memory, and we can select the language and we can select the minimum SDK. So is already selected that API 24 Android 7.0. So as you can see, Here your app will run on approximately 96.3 of the devices. So we can change it. Here, if I select 7.1.1, then it will approximately run on 95% devices. So we can select the Android 4.4, so it will run on 99.6 devices. So you can select it as you require, then click on finish. So this is the complete video of Android installation. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down your views. Thank you.